China's strategic interests in Central Asia, such as energy, transport, and security. China has been increasing its presence and influence in Central Asia over the past 2 decades, driven by a combination of economic, political, and security motives. In this section, we will explore some of the key issues behind China's strategic interests in Central Asia and how they affect the region and the world. One of the main reasons why China is interested in Central Asia is energy. China is the world's largest energy consumer and importer, and it needs to diversify its sources of supply and reduce its dependence on the Middle East and the Malacca Strait. Central Asia is rich in oil and gas resources, especially in Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. China has invested heavily in developing these resources and building pipelines to transport them to its western provinces. For example, China has built the Central Asia-China Gas Pipeline, which runs from Turkmenistan through Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan to China's Xinjiang region. This pipeline supplies about 15% of China's natural gas consumption. China has also proposed to establish a China-Central Asia partnership to jointly develop oil and gas sources. Another reason why China is interested in Central Asia is transport. China sees Central Asia as a crucial part of its Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, which aims to build infrastructure and connectivity across Eurasia and beyond. Central Asia's strategic location and potential as a transportation hub make it an attractive partner for China's BRI projects. China has built railroads, highways, and bridges to link Central Asia with China and other regions. For example, China has constructed the Korgos Gateway, a dry port on the border between Kazakhstan and China that facilitates trade and logistics between Europe and Asia. China has also supported the development of special economic zones, industrial parks, and free trade zones in Central Asia to promote trade and investment. A third reason why China is interested in Central Asia is security. China views Central Asia as an important region for its national security and regional stability. China faces several security challenges in its western border areas, such as terrorism, separatism, and extremism. China is particularly concerned about the situation in Xinjiang, where it faces unrest and violence from some Uyghur groups who seek greater autonomy or independence from Beijing. China fears that these groups may receive support or sanctuary from neighboring countries in Central Asia, especially Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. Therefore, China has sought to enhance its security cooperation with Central Asian countries through bilateral and multilateral mechanisms. For example, China is a member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO, a regional organization that includes Russia and 4 Central Asian countries, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan.